In this video, I will discuss about some questions about Cognizant agency results and uploading documents and etc. The first question that I have is which documents to upload in Superset account. So the answer to this question is that if you are asked to upload the documents in Superset account, then you only upload. Otherwise, you don't upload any document in Superset account. If you have received any particular mail regarding that, then you only upload. So before I proceed, I would say that today in this video, our like target of likes are 150. If you have not liked this video, please like this. Otherwise, if this video does not reach like of 150, it is becoming very difficult to resolve your queries. The next question is when we will get the offer letter. Offer letter will be after 10 days after the final round of your interview. Generally, it is on the last week of November. So only 2 rounds, no third round. Am I rejected? So some people have only 2 rounds. If your document verification and HR round is done in these 2 rounds, then you are not rejected. But if only the technical round is done and no document verification or HR round is done, then you are rejected. That means you are not qualified for HR round. GNC results out by college TPS cell and superset. So GNC results will be out by the college training and placement office and superset, and you will be also able to see the superset that you are selected. That having backlogs can I get rejected? If you have backlogs not more than one, then you are not then will the satisfy the eligibility criteria. Then if you have more backlogs after your till your graduation, then you might get rejected. Marks below 60% in graduation can get rejected. The eligibility criteria is above your marks should be above 60%. Then if your marks is below than that, and that does not satisfy the eligibility criteria, then there is a chance of getting rejected. So this is a comment that is there a chance Cognizant will select everyone, those who match criteria, who finish document verification? So the answer is that no, that is not the case. If your document verification is done, then there is a high chance that you will get selected, but that is not confirmed. Yes, you are almost selected, but not till you get your letter of intent or any confirmation from your placement office, you will not selected. And those who cleared technical interview got the mail of document verification. So why document verification does not mean that I am selected? Document verification does not mean you are selected. They are just you are qualified for HR round, but they may reject you on the HR round as well. Hello sir, I have given assessment test and I got this survey mail without giving tier and HR interview. So I am confused. What should I do? Can you explain? So you have given only the assessment test. So you have to fill the survey mail. They sometimes check your documents before giving the assessment test as well. So just fill it up and give the exam. Sir, I haven't received survey mail. I have given my second interview on 12th of November. What does it mean? I am selected or not? If you haven't received the survey mail, nothing to worry. They have not sending survey mail to all of the students. Some students have received this survey mail, so that is nothing to do with your selection. If you are selected, you will be informed by your placement office within 10 days, or you can wait up to the last week of November. I completed my third round as a document verification, but I didn't get any survey mail. Again, everyone is not getting the survey mail, so nothing to worry. Okay, I can't understand. Everybody says if there is a document verification, you almost selected. If your document verification is done, then there is a high chance that you will be selected. Then again, you have to wait for your letter of intent till the last week of November. I had completed my second round of interview on 13th, and the message from Cognizant that all completed. In how many days we will get the offer letter? You will get the offer letter in the last week of November, and generally they give the offer letter after 10 days of your last round of interview. So you can wait till the last week of November. Thank you. This is all your doubts, and I have tried to solve your doubts as much as possible. And if this video touches up to 150 likes, then only it will be possible for me to continue with these videos. So please like this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.